How to use a Visa gift card on Temu. So Temu is a premium online shopping platform offering a diverse range of products at competitive prices. With user-friendly interface and secure transaction, Temu ensures a seamless shopping experience for you. From electronics to fashion, groceries to home essentials, it caters to all of your needs with timely delivery and excellent customer service. So now we have heard of Temu, so how can we use our Visa gift card on our purchase? For this, you have to go ahead and log into your Temu, either online or you can even find this Temu application in your Play Store or App Store. Once installed, go ahead and sign up to Temu using your Google, Facebook, Apple, or Twitter. So right here, this is the interface of Temu homepage. To use a Visa gift card, first and foremost, you have to purchase an item. So go ahead and purchase some of the items that you want to buy. Now from here, you can select categories or even in the top search bar, you can search for the item. Once you have selected, tap on Checkout. At the bottom, you will see the option of payment method. Go ahead and select the option of card. Fill out the necessary details regarding your Visa gift card, including your CVC and your expiration date. Now once you do that, while checking out, you'll be able to pay using your Visa gift card. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.